Hey guys, it's me Andrea. Right now I'm on my balcony here in Grand Turk. It's the capital island of Turks and Caicos, but still very, very small. This is one of my favorite islands to visit because the water, I mean, just look at it. It is so gorgeous. It's unbelievable. And I don't know if you guys have ever thought, like, what makes the water so blue, especially here in the Caribbean? Well, it's a few things. One, when the sun's rays, light waves come from the sky and they hit the water, the blue light is scattered while the other colors are absorbed, so that's why it's blue. But then specifically for the Caribbean, one of the reasons why it is such those brilliant blue colors, because in the Caribbean Sea, the water is relatively still. So the water is more clear because there's not as much sand and stuff being kicked up with all the waves and everything. And therefore the colors are more vibrant. And then you add on other things like the color of the sand. Usually it's a bright white.
Wow.
So it reflects color and thus reflecting the blue to your eye. And in Grand Turk, you can really see how much the sand and seafloor affects the color. Here, the water isn't as colorful because of the dark seaweed, and then you can tell where there's only the white sand and you have that gorgeous blue-green again. And then you also have the coral reefs here. The coral is often mixed in the sand here in the Caribbean Sea, and that also reflects light differently, another factor giving it this unique Caribbean blue. And finally, one of the more obvious reasons for changes in sea color is water depth. Near the cruise ship, it's much darker and much deeper, obviously, because the crews wouldn't be able to get in otherwise. And then you can see as we go towards the reefs and the shallow water, the color is so vibrant. All those factors contribute to make it really, really, really blue. And not all islands are like this, but there are specific islands that really have just incredible colors of water. And Grand Turk is one of them. So yes, check it out. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll be posting a lot more. Make sure to subscribe to follow me as I cruise and vlog around the world. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.